Here are the 10 lessons I learned in 2023. This is day 10 and the last lesson, number 10. Today's lesson is simple. I'm so grateful and thankful for the beauty and the magic that is always around us. I just got back from a trip to Bali, and I went there with the intention of going on a solo trip, but of course, the universe had other plans in mind. On the first night that I arrived, I was at dinner and someone came up to me and recognized me from my TikTok. And she's also a student inside my course, Become Magnetic, which, again, you should absolutely join. There are tons of resources in there for manifesting your desires using EFT tapping. But anyway, she came up to me and asked me if I was Sulkina, and I was like, yes, I am. And honestly, we just became friends from there, and we spent a lot of time together just connecting and sharing stories. We would play little manifesting games to test how fast we could manifest. And honestly, being in Bali was like being in a vortex because I was manifesting almost instantly, and it was just so fun. And I met a few other people. One of them, I'm sure if you watch my content, you probably know her as well. Veda, she has quite a following here on TikTok. We instantly became close friends, soul sisters almost, and we had such a great time. And it just reminded me how magical life can be if you open yourself up to the magic and if you can be comfortable with the unknown. Because I had a plan before going to Bali, like just a rough plan in my head, but nothing I envisioned really came to life. But I experienced something a million times better and something I couldn't even visualize. I understand now when people say not to limit yourself when manifesting and to dream big, to have big goals, because it is possible for you to reach them. That there's no limit for what the universe can provide for you, because it's always guiding you and always providing you with the best that you could ever experience. Okay, so let me know what you think about today's lesson. I intend that everyone who watches this video is blessed with the best 2024 ever. I intend that you manifest your desires easily and effortlessly, and you experience the magic, abundance, and joy that is your birthright. Thank you so much for supporting me and being here. My TikTok grew in 2023, and I'm just so thankful for each and every one of you. And I'm looking forward to an even better 2024. Also, I want to know if you guys want to see like travel content from me, because when I went to Bali, I didn't take any videos or upload anything because, you know, I'm not a travel creator. But if that's something that you guys want to see from me, please let me know so I can also create videos and content around that as well, since I'm doing a lot of traveling in 2024. Okay? Thank you so much. Again, Happy New Year. I hope you have the best year ever. Ask me any questions in the comments below. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.